is gonna break!
So hey guys, welcome back to another episode of One Fast Streetcar. So first off, thank you very much for all your support in 2018. It is now 2019 and I want to say Happy New Year to everybody, and I hope you all had a great holiday, good time with the family, and also I hope you got all the Christmas presents that you were looking for. I know that Bagged and Boosted here did get one important present that I was really hoping for, and I want to talk about that today, so stay tuned. So guys, as you know, and anybody who's seen the review on this car knows that the weakest point of this car was the stock half shafts. I was still running stock half shafts on this car. It was definitely the weakest point. It was definitely the point that I was, I should say, the most scared when I was going to the drag strip or just doing a really hard launch. Every time I did a hard launch on this car, especially with some drag radials and when it got sticky out, I was pretty nervous that I was going to break the half shafts. So finally, we got some half shaft installed in this car. And I want to talk to you about what I thought my options were and what we actually did on the car. So the first thing is as far as options go, Ford Performance puts out a really robust set of half shafts. They're almost $2 grand, like $1,800, $1,900, I guess, depending on where you can find them. So Ford Performance really didn't give you what the car was rated for. They basically said, okay, well, we'll say it's a high rating, but we're not going to say it's 1,500 or, you know, even though that there are some rumors and there's some different things. If you look on the internet, you'll find some people say, well, they're rated at 1,500. But as far as I'm concerned, if Ford's not going to stand by it and say what the rating is, then what am I buying? So I did go with the Drive Shaft Shop 1,400 horsepower rating half shafts. I have the box over there with the old ones in. So if anybody's looking for a stock half shaft, you know, because you blew yours, you just want to put something in there, just contact me on Instagram or my email, and you know, I'm happy to get rid of them at a very discounted price if anybody's looking for them. But bottom line is, I did go with those. They do come with a warranty. The warranty, I think, is for a year, but that is only if you get it installed by a certified person, which I did. I got Kasper Performance Edge in Westville, New Jersey, to install these for me. They did a great job. It only took about a day to do. Came back completely perfect. One thing about this too, I'm going to show you some pictures here in a few moments, but just note that when you do these upgraded half shafts, it is a little heavier. I think the stock half shafts are like 20.7 pounds, something like that. And these are definitely a few pounds heavier. I really wish I would have weighed them when they came in to know exactly what they are, but I don't know. But I do know that that's more rotational mass that you're going to be putting down. So, but they also say that it will prevent wheel hop. I don't really have a lot of wheel hop because I do have a package on here that prevents that in the first place, but they say it keeps the car to the ground better. So I guess we'll see. We'll see once the spring hits and we're able to actually take this down to the track and go from there. So guys, it looks like I am literally ready to go racing in the spring as far as the back end of this car is concerned. The one thing that I'm going to have some videos on coming up in the future is that we still need to upgrade the fuel. So I am looking at you know, a triple pump fuel system for this car. I am not going to go and do anything except pump gas. To me, this is still a street car. I don't have E85 that's easily accessible to me where I live, so I'm going to stick with the pump gas. I'm just going to go to a higher, a better fuel system for the car, so we're going to have some videos coming up on that. It's a 4 triple pump fuel system. That should really give me the gas that I need, because right now, basically what I'm finding is that I'm running out of gas, and I'm only running pump gas. I'm not running E85 or anything like that, but I'm running out of gas that this car needs in order to put the horsepower down and to get the numbers that I'm looking to get out of this for the future. So I am going to be doing that soon, so stay tuned. We got that coming up in the next couple weeks. I got a couple more videos coming up that I think you guys are going to like. And I really appreciate all the support that you've given me in 2018. It's going to be a great 2019, so stay tuned, and I'll see you next time.